Welcome to Rishvi Limited. Hyper CRM Full Guidelines. Hi everyone, welcome to this complete walkthrough of Hyper Linnworks CRM. It's a powerful system that connects your Linnworks account with the full CRM sales, inventory, and order management platform. So Hyper Linnworks CRM is an all-in-one business management system built on top of Linnworks integration where your products, customers, orders, stock and sales pipeline all live in monthlies. Here it is, like what exactly the system does. It pulls the products and inventory from Linnworks into your CRM. It syncs orders between both the systems. It gives your sales team a full CRM with leads and pipeline management. It manages the warehouses, pricing, and stock levels in the real time. And it automates most of this through the scheduled background jobs. So let's get started now. Let's get into one of the most powerful parts of the system, that is CRM and lead generation. Basically, a lead is a potential customer, like someone who has shown interest in your product or service, but hasn't bought yet. So in the Hyper Linnworks CRM, leads can be coming from multiple sources, like manual entry by your sales team, or by web forms or inquiries, or imported from the external lists, or automatically created from the order activity. So to create a new lead, first go to this CRM module and click on New. And fill the lead name or opportunity title, the contact person name and email phone number, company name, everything, and give the expected revenue as well. Once it is saved, it will enter into your sales pipeline. So why is lead generation important? Means because it gives your sales team like a structured way to track every potential deal. Like instead of losing track of emails or notes, every potential customer is captured, assigned, and followed up inside the system itself. So this is the sales pipeline. It's a visual board like a Kanban board where every lead or opportunity moves through the stages. So typical pipeline stages are here. You can see new qualifier proposition 1. So first new lead is like it's just captured, like not yet contacted with it. Next, the qualified stages. You have spoken to them like they are a real potential customer, and preposition stages you have sent a quote or presented your offer to them. And one means like the deal has been closed, they have agreed to buy, then it will be moved to this one stage. And you can also add the lost stage where they decided not to proceed, like reason is recorded for the future landing. Also, each lead is a card on this board. You can drag and drop the leads to different stages like this, and you can click on this lead to see the full detailed information and the activity history as well. So with the help of this lead that we have created, now we can also create a new quotation, and we can confirm it to the sale order, and we can also sync that sale order with Linnworks. So let me show you how to create a quotation first with this lead. For that, you just need to click on this new quotation button. So it will create the quotation on the behalf of the lead we have created and add the product details. and add the shipping services you want to choose. If you do not choose any shipping service, it by default take the default shipping service. And here in the LW user info, you cannot see any order number because we haven't synced this order with Linnworks yet. So once we confirm the order and once we click on the sync Linnworks button, then after syncing it to Linnworks, it will create a Linux order number here with the help of that order number. We can fetch it in the Linux, and if you want to add any notes, you can add here itself. And you need to choose the warehouse because it will define for which warehouse this order will go, and confirm it. After confirming, you will be able to see this button sync Linux order. So click on it. Now, if you can see here in the LW user info, a unique Linux order number is created. So let us check this order in Linux. So this is the order that we have created in the CRM. You can check the customer details, product details, and notes that we have added everything. So this is how you create the quotations and orders from leads and sync it to the Linux. So this is all about the sales pipeline and CRM lead generation and moving the lead to different stages according to its information on it. Now let's move to the inventory, specifically how Hyperlink CRM sync stock data from the Linnworks. You can do all the inventory operations here from the Syncer menu. It will take you to the inventory operations dashboard. So first thing you sync is your warehouse. Next is sync your product categories, like click on the Sync Now button so that it will import all the product categories, and it will be stored here in the Product Categories menu. And another section we have is Add Inventory by SKU. If you want to quickly update the stock for one specific product, you can just enter the SKU of that product and click on Add Inventory so that it will sync that particular product only so that you can update it. Here, you can see the imported product. Like this is perfect for the quick corrections without running a full sync. And here, we have the bulk import section for large-scale operations. Use the Sync My Inventory feature like you can define the starting page, ending page. Each page contains 30 products. So if you sync pages from 1 to 20, you are importing up to 600 products. So click on the Sync Inventory, and system will fetch all the products from these particular pages. So you can see the imported products here in the product dashboard, which I have imported through the bulk import process. And here you have the refresh inventory feature, where it will refresh the count of inventory in both the Rishvi and Linnworks systems so that you can compare the inventories between both the systems. And another thing we have is when you open a product here, you have something called as on hand quantity. When you click on it, it will show the stock of this particular product in the different warehouse locations. Like it has 100 in the default stock warehouse, and in the USA warehouse it has 50. So you can track the on-hand quantity of a product by just clicking on this quantity on-hand field. And here we have another feature, which is automation, like automated inventory sync. You don't have to manually sync every hour, like the system has scheduled the cron job that runs automatically every 1 hour. It will fetch all the stock changes from the last 2 days and updates in the Rishvi automatically, so you can see the next execution time on the interface. So you always know when the next sync is scheduled, and if you need immediate updates, there is a manual sync button that will trigger it instantly. Here it is, like you can click on the sync now so that it will fetch all the latest updates. And we have another thing called price list. A price list is very critical in any business. Like the business or the price list feature ensures your prices are always accurate and consistent between Linnworks and Rishvi. So you can create a new price list like this by clicking on the new and. And we have seen all the inventory operations so far. Now let's go to the order management in the CRM. Here you have a menu called Lean Operations, and all operations open it. You will see a dashboard of order management, where we can do all the order operations from here. Before you start any order operations, enable these settings first. Like 3 settings you need to enable those are: when you click on sales here, you can see discounts, price list, and variance. You have to enable these before doing any order operations in this CRM. Here in the single order operations, we have a thing called import by order number. So when you need to pull in one specific order, you can just enter its Linnworks order number and click on the import order. Let me take the order number from the Linnworks and import that specific order into our system. Let me take this. Now you can see that this particular order is successfully imported. You can check that order here in the quotation section. So this is the imported order. So this is how you import a specific order using its Linnworks number. And here we have Import Shipping Services section. Click this button to sync all your Configure Shipping Services from Linnworks into Rishvi. These are needed so every order has the correct shipping method attached. So you can click on this Import Data button and all the shipping services will be stored here in the Shipping Services menu. So these are the imported shipping services. And you can also import the countries and sync countries data for billing and shipping addresses, ensuring proper address validation by clicking on this Import Countries button. And here we have similar partner comparison. This will scan your customer database for the checking duplicates, like records that might have the same name, email, or phone number. It helps you to keep your customer list clean and avoid creating the same customer price. You can just click on Sync Now, and the partners will be compared, and it will also show an option to merge like this. You can just verify the details of the customers, and you can just click on this Merge Users, so it will merge into one user. It will avoid the duplicates. And here we have a bulk order operations. First section is sync all the open orders page-wise, like you can give the starting page and ending page, and you can sync all the open orders from your Linux account. Before that, you have to select a warehouse from which you want to import the orders. Order sync is completed. It's by default, it's the selected default warehouse. You can also choose the warehouse from which you want to select which you want to import the orders. And another feature, we have sync all the processed order date-wise, like from the particular date in between the dates, you can sync all the processed orders. So all the processed order sync also has been completed. Here, we have another section called Sync all the open orders between the selected date range. Similar to the selected processed order sync, we can also import the open orders in between the selected date range. Here, we have the order status summary in the right side. When you click on the Refresh Orders button, it will refresh the count of the orders in different stages like quotation, sale, order canceled in Rishvi and paid, unpaid processed in Linnworks. It will display the count of all the orders. Here you can track the number of orders in different stages. So just now, we have imported all the processed and open orders by the selected page range and selected date range. So these are the imported orders. Till now, we have seen how to import the orders from Linnworks to Rishvi and give the customer details and add the product details. And here we have another feature called Quick Sale. So when you enable this Quick Sale button, it will automatically create an invoice as well as the delivery note when you confirm this order. If you do not enable this, it will just follow the traditional way where it just create a delivery note when you confirm the order, and you need to manually create the invoice by ourselves. So to save the time, you can just enable this Quick Sale, and here you need to select the warehouse. Like you need to select the warehouse to send this particular order to that warehouse. Like whichever warehouse you want to send this order, you need to select that warehouse here and add the shipping services you want. If you do not add any shipping service, it will automatically take the default shipping services, and here you can add the billing address and delivery address. And if you want to add any notes, you can add the notes here. Now I'm just saving the order and I'm confirming it. So it automatically created the both delivery and invoices. So now I can just click on the Sync Linux Order button so that it will push this order to your Linux account. Before that, let me show you one thing. Here you have LW User Input tab where the Linux order number is empty here, because I didn't sync this order to Linux yet. So once I click on this, it will sync the order to Linux and it will generate the order number. With the help of this order number, we can check this order in our Linux. Now you can see a unique number has been generated here with the help of this order number. We can check this order in our Linux. So, as I have selected the warehouse as default, this order has been pushed to the same default warehouse. And you can also verify the details like totals and customer details, shipping details, notes that we have added everything. So this is how you import the orders from Linnworks, import the shipping services, contacts, everything, and this is how you export the orders to Linnworks by creating the order here. And as I have enabled the quick sale here, the order is already processed and you can. You can also check the process date here in this field. Like it shows the time when this particular order is processed in the Linnworks, and this is the invoices of the orders. You can see that the order of this invoice is already processed. You can also check it in the delivery mode as well. And here we do have another feature called Enable Automation. So when you click on it, it will show you this interface where it will show you the scheduled action of syncing orders automatically. Like every 1 hour, it will fetch all the latest updates of orders of past 2 days, and it will sync it with our system. It will run for every 1 hour. You don't need to do it manually, so it will also display the next execution time of the scheduled action here. If you do not want to wait until the next run happens, you can just click on the Sync No button so that it will immediately fetch all the updates from Linnworks. Right now, that's it.